Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to learn Google Bard AI. Yes, how to use and what about to know to make you master in your category using Bard AI. Yes, Bard AI is a conversational generative artificial intelligence chatbot. To know for more interesting information about this, if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support. We are going to initiating how to start and how to initiate an account and making a conversation with this Lambda family of a large language model, which is absolutely free to use, having Gmail or Google Mail account. Let's open Chrome browser or any other comfortable web browser and hit Google Bard AI as a keyword. In the first link you may observe bard.google.com. Here you may find Bard is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot which is developed by Google. Now you see here, simply just click on this link Bard AI. If you are having already Gmail logged in a mission, then it's a easy you to have an access to control by accepting the terms. You will see Google Bard AI dashboard. If you are not having a Gmail account, create a Gmail account. Over 18 years plus user easily create your own Gmail account. It's absolutely free, and start initiating bard.google.com to launch your Bard AI tool. Yes, now see here, I am a Bard. This is a dashboard. You may see left side like a Bard menu and a Bard activities, FAQs, frequently asked questions, updates, what the latest updates, where you are located, and here is an use dark theme if you want, or you want light theme, you can switch it over here. And here is a enter a prompt here to get such a conversational artificial intelligence information you to get it. Yes, how to if you would like to see and learn some HTML basic of your web page creation or website creation, is it possible? And AI is going to be create a simple web page for you. Let me ask Google Bard AI, will it be done? See, create a basic HTML website. Yeah, website with home, contact, pages. Let's see, is there any supportive information will I get from this Google Bard AI? I'm trying to ask it. Yeah, with HTML it's wrongly it is typed. If you are type something is wrong in this way, you can have an edit text and make it correct and resubmit this query. Got it? Now I got the information about HTML. Here is an HTML website for the sample contact page. So by getting in this way the page and the description, here it is given how to create this HTML page and how you can use it, and CSS cascading style sheet to make you more productive your web page design. All the design skills here it is. So how to approach this? And here one more thing is I can give you a suggestions, view other drafts by clicking. 2 more suggestions also you will get from Google Bard AI. If you click draft 2, you will get some information, extra information at the single page. All the things are here, and sure, here it is in a third draft. Yes, there is another drafts. So which result set, which response you would like to have utilize and use for your computer and your own purpose, you can use it. It's absolutely free to use, and it's a code for developers, it's a source code generator. Yes, it's true. See, write a calculator program in Python. I'm trying to asking Google Bard AI to create a calculator program in Python. Here it is done. The Python program for complete how to use and everything is done. So how to use the things, here it is given a simple information, and there is a suggestions as common second draft if you want to use this, and third draft, here it is how to use. So beautifully you can use to apply Google Bard AI for your future development. Not only this, and SEO, search engine optimization techniques, improving sales for your career and product, and make sure to getting an information using Microsoft Office productivity, everything what you want to know. AI tool is a greatly supporting to getting a great information. Yes, it's a most accurate, and ensure that you have a basic idea how to use this information and before applying your way. I wish you good luck. Catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.